Let me show you something. Pick up that bucket. Put your hand like this. No, face the crowd. Leave it. Put your hand. No, put it like this. Like this. Now, when Jesus returned, look at it. Let me explain this scripture for you. The rapture we'll talk about. The end of things. When he returned, you know what happens? God takes you and put you on one side. Is that okay? He put you on one side, and then he take Christ and put Christ on the other side, and see if the Christ in you is able to balance the Christ on this side. If this side go down and the other side is up, it means you are not truly conformed. Jesus Christ is the measurement to measure you at the end.
I hear you, sir.
Not your neighbor. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So you understand this scripture now? Jesus Christ, the perfect man, is the perfect man unto the measure of the stature of the fullness of Christ. Christ is the scale. Christ is what? The scale. If you are thinking, hey, no matter what happens, at least I'm better than Nkechi. It's only because if I gossip, Nkechi do this and that. Nkechi is not the yardstick. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Or I'm better than Victor. At least I don't smoke. It's only small lights. Victor is not the yardstick. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Look at the measurement. You must understand. He said, this one thing I do, I forget those things that are behind, and I press forward unto the high calling of God in Christ Jesus. He said that I may apprehend that for which I am apprehended for, and that is why he said that I may know him and the power of his resurrection and the fellowship of his suffering, being made conformable unto his death,